Look. You got it?
No.
Does he want toast?
Just like a half a piece. It's not.
Bella, do you want toast?
Orange. Oranges. Hey, Isabella, can you go get yourself a plate and get one for Lacey, too?
With the ball? Still do. Look at that laugh. Oh.
Again, Reese?
Again?
Again?
He's way up there.
Yeah, I know.
He's gonna break a wine glass. Again? You're a crazy little boy.